Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your monitor's refresh rate, Hertz, on a Windows 11 laptop step by step. Whether you're aiming for smoother gameplay or better screen performance, this guide is quick and easy. Let's get into it. First, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. This will open your system display preferences. If you have multiple monitors connected, select the display you want to adjust. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display under the Display section. Here you'll see information like current resolution, refresh rate, and display type. Now find the option that says Choose a refresh rate. Click the drop-down menu, you'll see options like 60 Hz, 120 Hz, 144 Hz, or higher depending on your laptop's screen. Select the refresh rate you want, then click Keep Changes when prompted. That's it. Your monitor is now running at the new refresh rate. Higher refresh rates give you smoother motion, great for gaming and fast tasks. If you don't see higher refresh rate options, make sure your drivers are up to date or check if your laptop screen supports it. For external monitors, ensure the correct HDMI or DisplayPort cable is used for high refresh rates. And that's how you change the refresh rate hertz of your laptop monitor in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you need help with display settings or laptop performance. Thanks for watching and enjoy that smoother screen.